Now we push our code in GitHub repository. So it's my GitHub repository. Here I create a repository, GitHub tutorial, Git tutorial, sorry, Git tutorial, and I created a private repo. GitHub now provide us a free private repository. Create repo. After you create a repo, you see two portions. One is HTTPS, one is SSH. SSH is very easy and very helpful because if you are using SSH, uh, every time in pushing scenario, they cannot get your username password. So first of all, we are using HTTPS. Then we teach you how can you add SSH certificate in your PC. So I add this URL, copy it, or first this work I already done, commit it. Our code has a branch, that is main branch, and we add our remote origin, remote URL. So and the name is origin. Okay, so I paste it and okay, now I push our code, git push origin main. So you see I already provide set my password, that cause this time they cannot getting want my username password. But if when you are practicing, you see they want your username password to access the repository. So I refresh it and you see the commit is done. And again now I create another file for my project, that is select a language, plain text, uh, plain text, and save this page. Suppose I write page 1 only, simple text, page 1 dot txt, save, and another file is save. And you git status, you see my text file is present, and also another file which is Mac dependent file. Okay, so now I again this job git add dot git commit -m my second or commit message is try to user friendly message for that helps other developer or you to understand what work you done this commit. Okay, so at page 1 text file added. Okay, so you see I added this. If you using any other command line, then you see this HTTPS asking you username password. So I open my code in another editor or any command line tool, and if you see, if I write git push origin main again, wow, okay, the it not getting password, but most of the time you see it try to need a password for you. Okay, so my another commit, if you click the commit part, is a branch and it branches overall default branch, main branch. Okay, and you get some information about your branch. And last is, yeah, you see the only two commit is present. First commit is initial commit done, and another commit is goes to the online, that is page 1 txt file added commit. Okay, so our HTTPS commit is done. After next video I am showing you how can I add SSH certificate in my PC. So this video is not anymore.